We are Pilgari. We are the future of inclusive driving in Australia. We believe in inclusivity when it comes to driving and creating a safer environment for everyone on the road, particularly the visually impaired drivers. That's why we started working on Pilgari, an advanced driver assistance system or ADAS. We consist of 4 IT students and the primary driver of this enterprise, a visually impaired member of the team. Together, we have continued our idea from 2022 JSU Design Sprint. It was a 2-day event that kickstarted our entire journey. That's when we met Demi. She challenged us to come with a way to get partially visually impaired drivers back on the road so they can drive. We ended up winning one of the prizes for the sprint, and alongside it, thanks to Sam, who gave us this opportunity to continue working on the project. We saw this as a fantastic opportunity to gain real-world experience and obtain a personal and professional development, while creating a connections with the industry experts. We were excited about this opportunity as we believe this product has the potential to create an enormous impact on people's life. According to the reports, there are 800,000 Australians living with serious visual impairment, which is affecting their ability to drive.
Do you remember receiving your driver's license? It is a rite of passage, that feeling of excitement. While I was born with a visual impairment, I never got to experience the excitement of that. I dream one day I will get to experience, I will have that experience as everyone else. Unable to drive, I've become dependent on taxis, friends and family for my transportation. If I decide I need or want to go anywhere, like the shops, I have to wait until someone is free or book a taxi. The lack of independence is a massive burden, not just on myself, but on family and friends. I own a kit replica from the 80s TV show Knight Rider. That is my favourite. You would have seen him outside the JCU labs this morning. I dream of the day I will be able to drive Kit around town myself, to take him to car shows, events, and even to get the shopping. Being truly independent and raising my self-confidence.
Our solution is a tablet that's been paired with a camera that's been integrated with an AI chip that will act as a second pair of eyes for a driver. This could mean that they're able to see further than they normally would, see where they might have a blind spot, or just give the driver useful information about the drive. The tablet uses AI image recognition to detect what is happening in front of them. Currently, it only has support for road signs, but we would like to branch out into the future into objects such as road turns, pedestrians, animals, other cars. It's designed to act as an ADAS, detecting upcoming objects and relaying this to the driver. We'd like this information to display on the tablet, as well as speak back to the driver. While some of these systems already exist in newer model cars, they can't be installed into older models. Our design will have the ability to attach a tablet holder to any car, giving the user full customization on where they'd like it placed. There are already some heavy hitters in the space. You've got Google's self-driving project, Waymo, and Tesla as our main competitors. But these companies are working on autonomous driving by making major changes to the cars that will be hard and expensive to install in other models. Our product is an external tool that can be installed into any car easily, with full functionality every time, providing an enhanced driving experience to the user. This is incredibly cost-effective by saving the user the cost of buying a brand new car with self-driving. We have a few main features planned, which include a modern tablet connected to a wireless camera to keep the dash tidy, a complex AI for detecting road signs, turns, and other objects. It's going to be optimized for Australian roads, and detections made by the AI will turn into speech output to provide a distraction-free environment. It's going to be able to be activated through voice commands, and it's going to be able to fit in any car, new or old. Here is an example of our trained AI model running on real traffic in Australia. As you can see, it is detecting multiple road signs with fairly high confidence. This is still an early iteration of the model though. With more work, we can have it detecting at a higher rate. Our solution provides a unique and innovative approach to the current market need. With our innovative technology, advanced features, and user-friendly interface, we are confident that we can deliver exceptional results and create a positive impact on the industry. Our team is dedicated and experienced, and we are ready to take on this challenge. We believe that with your support, we can change the market landscape and bring about significant growth. I'd just like to give a big thank you to Kim Bender and Dr. Samantha Horseman for giving us this amazing opportunity. It's been a really great experience and we've learned a lot. I would also like to give a big thank you to CRC iMove for the interest they've shown in the project.